All right, so we're going to be doing, you can see the top of this stove. Over time, when you have your pots and you move them around, which you're not supposed to do, it's not a gas stove. So you can end up with scarring, scratching. So we're going to try and bring this back to how it used to look, like over here. Okay, nice and smooth. Now, before you get started, you want to make sure that glass is clean. No dirt or sand or anything's on it because it's going to scratch if you do. In fact, even this stuff, you want to make sure you get it up, get a razor blade, and go over it. Now, it's best when you're using a blade that you damp or get it wet so you don't scratch. So, but we're just going to get everything that we can off. This is nothing major because we're not going to be cleaning over there, but if you have anything on this, go ahead and get it off. All right, we'll deal with that later. All right, so what we're using, Diamond Shine, works great. Make sure you shake it well, okay? And we're going to be using our drill. You can use your hand as well. Takes more time. Nice, soft, clean rag to do it. The drill, you have to go in clockwise direction. Okay, otherwise it's going to come undone on you. That's the company. I'll leave a link for it. And the first pad is the rough, depending on how bad your top is. And then we're going to follow with this one to do more like a final softer, and then use this to buff it. It's going to be our buffer. All right, so let's get started. We're going to shake this really well and going to get some on here, and we're going to start. So take a look at before, and then you'll see after. All right, there's the stove. All right, top is nice and clean. Nothing is on the glass. Then wipe it off. Shake well. Diamond, so literally we're going to be cutting into the glass. Don't go crazy pushing too hard, otherwise you can scratch the glass. What you're looking to do, just maybe 2 or 3 pounds of pressure, and you're trying to buff out the scratches. So you are scratching it, but you're not going too deep. Don't start off the drill crazy fast, otherwise you're going to have splatters everywhere. Work the stuff in. Try and stay within the lines or the circle. All right, let's get started. Now you want to work all the way around in circles and follow back as you go along the route. If you drill, some drills will have different speeds, so you want to go slow. Let me see this one. All right. All right, I'm going to wipe this off and take a look and see how it's looking. All right, it's no camera trick. It's definitely getting better. Now we know we need to concentrate more here, and maybe a little bit there, but definitely looking a lot better. The white haze is going away. So a couple more passes and we should be good. Then we're going to do the buff. Not a lot, just get it saturated. And don't press too hard. All right, now I'm going to be buffing. So I'm going to be changing this pad, putting on this guy. Sometimes you go back and forth so that you get every angle so that everything gets polished. All right, definitely looking nice. The haze is pretty much gone. Now we're going to be doing our final buffing. Again, we're going to take this one off. I'm going to be buffing with this guy. All right, it's going to be our final step. A lot better. I'm going to do one last polish. That's pretty good, actually. You can, not sure how it's showing up on here, but all of the heavy haze, it's gone. It really is. I'll pan in a little bit and show you a different angle. You can hardly see anything on here. At this angle, you can still see a little bit of stuff there, but compared to how it used to be, it's gone. So we're going to speed the drill up. I'm going to do one last buff. Don't start off crazy. Just get it all saturated first, and then you can increase the speed. We're going to go back and forth now. All right, I think we're a lot better. All the heavy haze is gone. In fact, when you look at it at a different angle, you can't even see it. So slight imperfection still here, but scale 1 to 10, how much better it is, it's, I would say definitely a 9. You guys can tell me what you think, but it's pretty nice. I might do a slight buff just with this and see if that takes out anything, and then dry it off. All right, I think we're good. Let's take a look. All right, we'll have before and after, and I think we are looking, look at that. The haze is totally gone. So I would say that's a definitely a good fix. One more thing I wanted to add. We just got done doing this one as well, and now we're going to actually buff the entire top. You can do that. Again, make sure your top is clean, otherwise you will scratch it. So we're going to go over the entire top just slightly with the buffer, removing any haze that you might have on the top, so that once you're done cleaning, it looks almost like a brand new top. You know, definitely a lot better. All right, that's it. One last polish and she's done. Thanks for watching.